sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine.
皆様おはようございます。Konnichiwa, konbanwa, merotomoshimasu. Ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about kyushinu tsunagu ng na adjective. So katulad po ng i, kyushi, may apat po tayo na tenses, which is present tense, negative present tense, past tense, at negative past tense. Simulan po natin sa present tense. Sa present tense po, ang rule po natin is positive plus positive at negative plus negative adjective. Cancel na and add de. For example, Ri-san wa shinsetsu de majimi desu. In a sentence, may dalawa po tayong na adjective. Ang present tense rule po natin ay dun po natin siya i-apply sa first adjective, which is shinsetsu. Okay? So, na adjective po yan siya. So, cancel na and add de. Again, Ri-san wa shinsetsu de majimi desu. In English, Mr. Lee is kind and serious. Next example. Ri-san wa handsome de yomei desu. Apply the present tense rules sa first adjective, which is cancel na and add de. So, yung first adjective po natin is handsome na. Cancel na and add de. So, magiging handsome de. At yung pangalawang adjective po ay as is lang po siya or sunomama. Again, Ri-san wa handsome de yomei desu. In English, Mr. Lee is handsome and famous. Next, negative present tense. Janai desu. Cancel i from janai desu and add kute, then add janai desu on the last adjective. For example, kono tokoro wa yumi janakotte nigiyaka janai desu. Yung negative present rule po natin, i-apply po natin sa first adjective, which is yumi na. So, negative present rule, cancel i from janai desu and add kute, then add janai desu on the last adjective or doon sa pangalawang adjective. Again, kono tokoro wa yumi janakotte nigiyaka janai desu. In English, this place is not famous and not lively. Next example. Jan-san wa handsome janakotte yumei janai desu. So, apply negative present tense rule sa first adjective, which is cancel i from janai desu and add kute, then add janai desu on the last adjective. Okay, yung first adjective po natin is handsome na. Cancel i from janai desu and add kute, then add janai desu on the last adjective. Again, Jan-san wa handsome janakotte yumei janai desu. In English, Mr. Jan is not handsome and not famous. Next, past tense. Ang rules po niya is follow the rules of present tense, which is cancel na and add de. Then add deshita on the last adjective. For example, Ri-san wa majimi de shinsetsu deshita. Cancel na on the first adjective and add de, and add deshita on the last adjective. Again, Ri-san wa majimi de shinsitsu deshita. In English, Mr. Lee was serious and kind. Next example, Jan-san wa handsamo de yumei deshita. Follow the rules of present tense, which is cancel na and add de. Then add deshita on the last adjective. Again, Jan-san wa handsamo de yumei deshita. In English, Mr. Jan was handsome and famous. Next, negative past tense. Ang rule niya po is follow the rule of negative present tense, which is cancel i from Janaides and add kute and add Janakata on the last adjective. For example, Rao-san wa majimi janakote shinsitsu janakata desu. So, yung sa first adjective, cancel i from Janaides and add kote. Okay, so yung majimi na, magiging majimi janakote. Add janakata on the last adjective, which is shinsitsu. So, magiging shinsitsu janakata desu. Again, Rao-san wa majimi janakote shinsitsu janakata desu. In English, Mr. Rao was not serious and not kind. Next, Rao-san wa handsamo janakote yumei janakata desu. Okay, apply the negative present tense rule, which is cancel i from Janaides and add kote, magiging handsamo janakote. And add janakata on the last adjective, which is yumei na. So, magiging yumei janakata desu. Again, Rao-san wa handsamo janakote yumei janakata desu. In English, Mr. Rao was not handsome and not famous. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Kung nakatulong man po sa inyo ang video na to, please give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. At kung may mga katanungan man po kayo, please comment down below. Tsukare-sama deshita. Sayonara.